Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your game and platform are fully updated and online. This prevents version mismatches that block connections. Once done, back up your save and set a simple password so you can control co-op access. You should enable the online toggle in settings and keep one furl calling finger remedy to summon others quickly. These steps remove common barriers to matchmaking and let you move straight into summoning or invading without wasted retries. You now perform the core actions. Place your summon sign or use the remedy. Hosts must be near the boss area for co-op to register properly. Use the password system to narrow matchmaking to friends because it directly pairs you rather than relying on global queues. Make sure to monitor latency and NAT type. High ping or strict NAT often breaks sessions. If connections fail, try wired LAN or change DNS. These steps help stabilize encounters and keep summons and invasions consistent. You complete online play by defeating the boss or quitting properly so the host's world saves progress. Premature disconnects can cost run data. If someone misbehaves, report them through the platform to protect future matches. Do not use exploits that risk bans. If you encounter persistent connection issues, a reliable fix is to reboot your router, confirm platform status pages, and switch to a public DNS. This often resolves NAT and handshake problems and restores consistent online play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.